Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got my very first beauty box for November and it is Lookfantastic. I've just ripped my address off just so I can show you what it looks like. This is the November Lookfantastic beauty subscription box. It costs £15 a box and it ships internationally. It is not available yet, so if you subscribe now, then unless the October box is already sold out, you will receive the October box. From the 1st of November onwards, you'll be able to get this box. As always, I'll pop links to it down below in my description and also any discount codes and offers I can find. I do have a code that you can use, so I'll pop that down there as well, and you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites. So all details will be down in my description. This is a PR sample, so Lookfantastic kindly send them to me early so I'm able to share with you. It contains 6 beauty products, range from anything beauty. There will be a QR code in here, but because it's not the 1st of November, I won't be able to scan it. It says here, scan the QR code to learn more about the box November edit, featuring iconic beauty that will have you prepped and ready for the festive days and party nights to come. So you'll receive that. I'll give you a little sneak peek first. You're not going to see much. My box is soaked. It's all coming apart. The postman that delivered it this morning left it outside and we didn't notice it until later this afternoon because I've been out all day. First up, we've got a Frank Body Scrub. This is a scalp scrub. It's caffeinated and it's 125 mils there. I was going to say body scrub. I'm so used to Frank body scrubs that I didn't know. Not that I might know. it's just whoosh, can't remember. Wet and part hair. Take a pea-sized amount of scrub and gently work into scalp. Continue to part and repeat until the scalp is covered. Lather and rinse. Follow with shampoo to aid rinse out. And it says to be used 3 times per week. Scalp scrubs are great at getting rid of product buildup, stimulating the scalp, promoting healthy new hair. Yeah. And this is a caffeinated one, does it? Just smells of lemons. It just smells of... No, not lemons. Why did I say lemons? It's not lemons, it's peppermint. Yeah, peppermint. So invigorating as well. So that's a scalp scrub. Then we got the Away. This is a leave-in conditioner and there's 25 mils. Away do the most amazing smelling products. I do really like them. I like the shampoos and conditioners for thin hair. They're really good. A multitasking leave-in mist that works all day to smooth, soften and detangle hair. I have got this already. Woo! There, I just want to smell it. Yeah, it's just so beautiful. It's so lovely. I do love the smell. It contains added conditioning, thermal protection and control. So then we've got Elmis. This is Superfood Midnight Facial, a nourishing sleeping cream, and there's 15 mils there. I have tried this before. I've had samples before in different boxes. I don't know, Lookfantastic I might have done, but yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the Superfood range, but this cream, besides smelling gorgeous, it is really nice. It absorbs nicely into the skin. Yeah, I do like it, so I'll definitely use that. Then we've got a Bondi Sands Pure Self-Tanning Sleep Mask with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, and there's 10 mils there. You've got enough there for 1 or 2 nights if you fancy waking up with a bit of a glow in your face. Bondi Sands is one of my favourite tanning brands. I absolutely adore them. Yeah, this is okay, but I do prefer sprays. Look nicer on my skin than lotions and mousses. Whenever I've done like a Bondi Sands like fake tan mousse, I might go over a little bit of my face with a matte, but then I always go back to the sprays and just top up my face like that. So there's that. Then we have got Peter Thomas Roth. This is Instant Firm Eye. It's a temporary eye tightener. I haven't tried this before. Instantly tightens and firms the look of under eye puffiness. And there is 5 mils. Shake and then apply a thin layer to freshly cleansed skin and remain expressionless. Product will dry within 3 to 7 minutes. Pat away any visible excess residue with damp cloth. I don't get puffiness really. I do get a lot of darkness, but not puffiness. I was thinking, would this work on fine lines? To know. If you've tried it, please let me know what you think. Then lastly, we have got Ciati London. This is Marbled Metals in Moonstone. It's a metallic glitter eyeshadow. I'll just take the wrapper off. Oh, that colour looks lovely. I'll try it now, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Oh, like a gunmetal. Oh, my nail. Problem with nails, isn't it? You have to have like a sponge applicator or something to go in there. I can just about touch it. Oh, that is really pretty. I really like that. It's a bronzy lilac silver gunmetal. Look, that is really, really pretty. Wow. Yeah, I love that. Beautiful. Then we got a freebie. It's only a little sachet. This is from Peter Thomas Roth, and this is Instant Firm No Filter Primer. I like the sound of that. And all over facial primer to like tighten and get rid of your wrinkles. I don't know, that's what I'm guessing. Instantly tightens, firms and blurs the look of fine lines and pores. Now that sounds amazing. I haven't tried any of these products. I can't believe I haven't. Yeah, it just says exactly the same. Apply a thin layer, remain expressionless for 3 to 7 minutes. And yeah, continue with makeup application. Because some of these ones that instantly tighten, as soon as you put makeup on your face, it looks awful and it starts pilling. So it says here, apply makeup as normal. Or it says continue with makeup application. So I'm assuming it's good. We've got Frank Body and it's a scalp scrub. We've got an Away, it's a leave-in conditioner and heat protection spray. We've got a Bondi Sands Pure, it's an overnight gradual tanning mask. We've got an Elmis Superfood Midnight Facial, it's a overnight moisturising cream. We've got a Ciate metallic gorgeous eyeshadow there. Then we got the Peter Thomas Roth, the eye treatment, and then you got a little sachet of the primer. So looking at the products here, Lookfantastic say that each box has a minimum value of £50. So paying £15 or unless you take out I forgot to say at the beginning, if you take out a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription, it brings the cost down. So a 12-month subscription would be £13 instead of £15. So the value is definitely there, but it all depends on the products, whether you'd use them, whether you think it's worth it and things like that, obviously, isn't it? It's a nice box, there's some nice products in there, but again, they're all small. When I see a box mixed with like larger products in there, it just feels like I'm getting more of a treat, if you know what I mean. The products are nice, the value's there, but they're on the small side. I would love to see larger products in there, regardless of the price. What do you think? What do you think of the November box? Are you going to subscribe? Are you already a subscriber, so you will automatically receive this box? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.